Dear students, today you will discuss the last topic of the chapter, that is heating effect of electric current and the rating of electric appliance. See here in this circuit diagram, we have a resistor, we have a voltmeter, ammeter, key and battery. But voltmeter is connected in parallel across A and B. So when the plug is closed, when the key is closed, then a current I flows through a resistor of resistance R and for time t, and the charge flow through it. So you know that V is equal to W upon Q, so W is equal to Q into V. So P is equal to W upon T. Finally P is equal to VI. So the heat energy supplied is P into T or VIT. According to Ohm's law, we know V is equal to IR. So heat produced is H is equal to I square RT. We have in the next slide, we can see here that when electric current passes through a high resistance wire or a conductor, it becomes hot after some time. It is called the heating effect of current or Joule's heating. In fact, the Joule's heating is the consequences of the conversion of electrical energy into heat energy. Say, this is now the role of resistance in electric circuit is just similar to the role of friction in mechanics. Now you will derive the expression for the heat produced when electric current passes through the conductor. So see in the previous circuit diagram, let t be the time during which the charge Q flows. Now when the charge Q flows against the potential difference V, then the amount of work done is given by W is equal to Q into V. Therefore, the source must supply energy equal to VQ. So P is equal to V into I. So I is equal to Q by T. So P is equal to VI. So the energy supplied to the circuit by the source in time T is P into T. Means P is equal to VIT, or we know that applying Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, so that is H is equal to I square R. So this H is equal to I square RT is known as the Joule's law. Now application of heating effect of electric current. Now we have seen that the formula H is equal to I square RT has an important application in power transmission. Electric power is transmitted from the power station to the distant consumer through a transmission lines, and you will certainly like to minimize the line power loss. So in this case, this formula is very important. Now the another application, it can be used for a room heater, water heater, then it is electric bulb, it is used in electric lamps, electric fuse. You know, the electric fuse is also known as the safety device. It is a small piece of wire connected in series with a circuit to prevent the flow of a strong current through it. A fuse wire is generally made from an alloy of tin and lead, 37% lead and 63% tin. It has high resistance and a low melting point. So all of a sudden, if a strong current flows through it, the fuse melts away and the circuit breaks. Thus, the main installation are saved from getting damaged. So there are another, it is an electrical heater, it is used also in electrical heater. So now electric power. You must have studied in class 9th about the power. The same concept is being used here. Now the rate of doing work or the rate of consumption of energy is known as power. Mathematically, you know power is W upon T. The SI unit of power is watt. Already you know the power of 1 watt is a rate of working of 1 joule per second. Actually, it is a very small unit, so you use a bigger unit of electric power called kilowatt, For commercial, another unit is megawatt, then another unit is horsepower, then the another bigger unit is uh, horsepower, then another commercial unit of energy is known as kilowatt. Discuss the rating of an electric appliances. The rating of an electric appliance indicates the voltage at which the appliance is designed to work and the current consumption at that voltage. The rating of the appliance is related to the power it consumes. For example, if an electric bulb is rated 100 watt and 250 volt, it means that if the bulb is lighted on 250 volt supply, it consumes a power of 100 watt. Or in other words, the electric energy of 100 joule is converted into heat and light by the bulb in 1 second. So the current rating is the maximum value of current which is allowed to flow through the circuit without overheating it. Beyond this, the fuse melts and the current cannot flow. So now the current rating is very important for the domestic connection. Now the another is power rating. The power rating is simply a product of output current and voltage. In every electrical appliances has a power rating which tells you how much electricity it needs to work. Of course, the amount of electricity it uses depends on how long it is, and this is measured in kilowatt hour. In other words, you can say that an equipment's power rating is considered as the maximum permissible power the equipments will accommodate to allow to flow through it. So thank you very much, and you will discuss the numerical part later on.